I'm Satvika.
And I'm Vinita.
And welcome to our channel Vamos Bombay. Vamos Bombay literally means let's go Bombay, and on our channel we'll be covering a bucket list of things you must do when you're in Bombay.
Here in South Bombay, we'll be visiting tourist spots for finger-licking good food, cheap and funky accessory shopping, and memorable city attractions. So let's get started.
So Grandmama's Cafe, which is in Lower Parel, is our first stop. Grandmama's Cafe is known for its cute and homely decor and is popular around the city for being a very Instagram-worthy location.
For someone who's constantly trying to make their feed look better, let's see if Grandmama Cafe is really worth it. The interiors of Grandma Cafe are really nice and typical English Victorian tea room style.
So we ordered 2 Nutella French toast, which is a specialty of Grandmama's Cafe, along with 1 portion of Sali eggs.
And for drinks, we ordered the Virgin Mojito and a cottage cheese and chipotle burger.
So overall, Grandmama's Cafe was really worth our visit. It's got a really cute feel to the place, along with really vintage and cute decor. So a 4 on 5 for ambience, I think.
And it's a really good value for money. 4 of us ate in 1300, so it's a pretty good deal.
So the quality of food was pretty decent. The Nutella French toast was a highlight and we recommend everyone try it. The food was decent, so a 3 on 5 for the quality of food. So let's see what's next on our day tour now. Hi, so we're at Tapu Ki Dukaan at Fort, which has got all these funky little merchandise around. And for someone who struggles to find the right birthday gift for all my friends and is tired of boring Forever 21 gift vouchers, this place is perfect. For example, look at this cute makeup box that says wake up and makeup. And you can keep all your makeup and accessories and everything in this little box. Then there's these really nice shot glasses with like funny captions written on them saying I hate dry days. And then there's make me a shot, it's my birthday, and all sorts of different ones.
Saad, look what I found here.
Let's look at what Vinita found at the other side of the shop.
Look how cute this mat is. I'm definitely buying this plate.
Ah, I like it.
There are also kettles over here for the tea party and really nice colored chai cups which will go with the kettles. So as you see, this place is nothing you've ever seen before. It's really chill and you get extraordinary stuff to buy over here.
So guys, if any of your friends' birthday is coming, you have to visit Tapu Ki Dukaan, which is in Fort. And for all our friends watching, my birthday is on 27th Jan and hers is on 26th. So you have to get us something from here, okay? Overall, I think Tapu Ki Dukaan is a fun and nice and very different kind of experience, not something we've experienced before. Personally, for me though, I thought the products, even though they were really cute and really different, they were slightly overpriced, and that's why I'd give value for money of 3 on 5.
The quality of the products, I would give a 3 because it ensures long lasting unless you break it. The ambience of the shop was really good. It was a small shop and it had this fun vibe happening because of the whole product there.
Overall, I think a really cool experience. You must go there.
Here we are at Colaba Causeway, filled with people shopping. It has everything one could possibly want in their wardrobe.
There's funky little accessories, cute little trinkets, and Zara ka old mal also, which is just as good. So let's see if there's something we really want. भैया ये कितने का? ये वाला 750 नहीं भैया 500 भैया
650 देना चलो आप
मैं उधर से 550 करके आया, आप ये 500
This is us trying to bargain.
नहीं नहीं ठीक है, रहने दो. 500 भैया. नहीं नहीं 500 हाँ. और क्या और?
Okay, so street shopping is not easy. We're really exhausted after just an hour of shopping. And as you could see, our bargaining skills weren't that great. So if you want to come to Colaba Causeway, you need to make sure that you know how to bargain. I am horrible at it. Vinita is much better, but I know there are people who are way better than that also.
The only thing for Colaba Causeway you need to know is bargain, bargain and bargain, because you can get normal stuff at way cheaper rate.
Yeah. So value for money, I guess 3 on 5. Quality was
Like a 3, because it's not going to last for more than 2 months. Do not expect it.
yeah. And the ambience and the service, people are really sweet, but it's really crowded and it is hot because it's street shopping. So again, it's a 3 on 5.
Disclaimer, you might also meet rude shopkeepers as well.
Okay, so overall a really unique experience. If you haven't come to Colaba Causeway, you must, because I give it a thumbs up. It's a fun and unique experience. So now that we're really tired, can we finally go to our last stop?
Chalo, let's go.
Chalo.
Here we are at Bachelors. Bachelors is an iconic institution which has been since the 1930s and has created its brand name and a loyal customer base.
So the cool thing about Bachelors is that it's open at literally all hours of the day. So if you're coming after a night of clubbing and just want to hang out, or if you've been to a bad dinner night and want to eat something filling, Bachelors is the place to be. It's got really cool snack food and milkshakes. So let's place our order. So our order at Bachelors was 1 Rosha milkshake and 1 chili ice cream. I know you're thinking about the chili ice cream, but we've heard a lot from all our friends and reviews about this chili ice cream. I'm a little skeptical, but let's just go ahead and try it. Rita?
I'll be the one who doesn't like. It's really good. It's different, but I mean different good. It hits you at the end, which is good, and it's also really addictive. So you would want to come here and try this one.
Okay, so this is the Rosha milkshake. It's got thick chocolate and it tastes like Rosha. A lot of Roshas have been crushed and put into it, and you can taste that in your mouth. Oh my god, I love this. This is like the perfect summer drink to have. So, not a bad way to end our day, huh? Okay, so I think for value for money, I would give it a 3 on 5, because even though it's at the corner of the street and is not really that great quality, the pricing is slightly high, and this is because again Bachelors has become a brand, and so no matter what price they keep, Mumbaikars still keep rushing here.
For ambience, I would give it a 3 because it's in the middle of the road. It's always hustling and bustling, but there's always a server available to come to your car and help you decide on what you want to get, and also in the serving as well. So it's a pretty good ambience around here.
Quality of food, I think a 4 on 5, because the quality has been consistent every time I've come. The Rosha milkshake will taste like the Rosha milkshake no matter what day or time you come at. So that's a 4 and 5. Overall, a really cute place and a really fun experience. So, thumbs up.
So this is a wrap for our first ever episode of Vamos Bombay. If you know of more such places, please comment below, because we would love to explore more such places and try out new stuff.
We hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed making this video. If you want to see more of Vamos Bombay, which I promise is coming, you have to subscribe to our channel now.
Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it.
Even if you don't like it, please give it a thumbs up because you're a nice person. Okay, thanks. Bye.